Amidst the recent increase in violence in schools, key stakeholders in the education system say parents and adults who work within the school environs should be held accountable. And there are also urgent appeals for more support to be provided to parents, especially those with children on path. Kalisha Williams has that story.
Speaking at a Safer Schools symposium hosted by the Kiwanis Club of St. Andrew, President of the Jamaica Teachers Association, Mark Malava, says poor parenting and weak parental support are fueling the violence in schools.
Many of our schools are now being asked to compensate for deficits originating outside of the school gates. Teachers are now expected to function as educators, counselors, disciplinarians, social workers, and surrogate parents all at once.
For instance, he says many students entering our schools lack supervision, and there is a direct correlation between students who breach the grooming policies, those who receive path benefits, and those who commit other infractions. And so he's making this suggestion.
With respect to the path program, you have to now twin it, colleagues, with parental support. And what I am suggesting is that it ought to be mandatory that once the student is on the path programs, these parents must attend a parental support program to equip them with the skill sets of effective parenting, because it's creating a major challenge in our schools.
For principal of the Pembroke Hall High School, Reverend Claude Ellis, in some instances, parents and guardians of students are directly influencing the violent behaviors in students. He says in some cases, students are fully intoxicated before they set foot on the school compound. He pointed to one recent incident at his school where a beer bottle was found.
I said to myself, boy, the guys who come train at night from the football club, drink the beer and then just leave the bottle. So I went over to pick up the bottle, but when I pick up the bottle, it cool. So I said, no, man, something wrong here, so. So some little girls were sitting at the table, grade 7, and I said, do you know where this bottle came from? And one little girl said, mine, sir. I said, what you mean is yours? She said, I drink it. And the long story short is that having the conversation with her is a regular thing at home. She get the beer from for come school.
While many school administrators say they understand that some students may have experienced a lot of trauma in their homes, they stress that the adults in their lives should be held accountable. Then there's also an issue with school boards.
MPs are choosing individuals to sit on boards, believe it or not. And some of these board members don't have no qualifications. Some of these board members don't even know what a school looks like. The only thing some of them know about running a school is the fact that they used to run up and down in a school when they were there. And the only thing that they know about board and management of board is the fact that they used to sit on a board bench.
And so going forward, it's believed that one program alone may not aid in stemming the violence in schools, so systemic changes should be made. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.